Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do something amazing. Now, I have a lot of people that have this problem, like they talk to me about it all the time, and it's a really difficult thing to do. So I'm going to show you how to open a can of Dr. Pepper here. Now, it's really tricky and it's really hard, so pay close attention because I'm only going to do this once. So make sure the can is cold or else you're going to have a bad time. So you basically take this tab. This is the tricky part. You got to be careful. Pull it open like that. Like make sure it's like right there. And then you see this part right here? That's the thing that's going to open. So you got to just push it in to this part. Now, you got to be really careful when you do this. And then once that part is open, you just pull this tab back, and there you go. Now you can enjoy your fabulous cherry Dr. Pepper. That's surprisingly, or amazingly smooth. Anyway, I hope this helped, because I know it's a problem that a lot of people have, so really hope this video helped you guys.